Hey guys, welcome back. Popping on to do a layout for the scrap room, and I am using a Flavors of the Month kit from Hadfield. It's Live and Let Grow, and it's full of saturated tones and just good stuff. So let me show you the product I have in this kit. I've got 2 sheets of vanilla textured cardstock from Basil. I have got this piece is called Sunshine, that has sun shining. And then we have some wavy bits. This one right here, it's called Pansies, probably because there's gorgeous pansies. And then we have kind of a grid design. And then this one right here is called Wildflower. And I am smitten with this piece. I think it is absolutely stunning. And the back is a gorgeous plaid. So these are the goodies we have. I have some die cuts here. I have a floral, some coffee cups, a little guitar, which totally works for my picture, and floral bit and girls on bike, or a girl on bikes. And I've got 4 puffy hearts, and then everybody got 1 of the sticker sheets, and the sticker sheet I received has lots and lots of word bits on it, so that will be fun. So all I know so far, it's this sheet right here. See how there's lines that are cut, or like, you know, they're very strict lines. Well, I see all of these really great diamond patterns I can do with it. So I think I want to cut this up into a bunch of the diamonds and then put them on a page and see how I feel. So give me 1 second to do that. I think this might be a cool thing. I'm not sure, but I think. So give me 1 second. Guys, I didn't show you my photo. This is a picture of my daughter and her pals, and they were hanging out at an event in a city really close to us with all this country music and stuff going on. That's why I thought the guitar would be a workable kind of idea. Sorry. So aren't they cute? So that's my photo. Okay. I'm going to get to work. I'll be right back. This is the design idea so far that I've come up with. I have a feeling I want to scuff stuff up. Let me get my scufferator. Got it. So I want to mat my layout on this gorgeous plaid. And that means I will trim this paper right here down to 11.5 by 11.5. And I will gut out the plaid because it's gorgeous. You look at it. Which will give me, okay. So 3, 2, 1. Okay. Which will give me, you know, yet more paper to play with. And I want to map my photo 1,000 times and scuff it up and all that kind of stuff. So let me do all that and I'll be right back. So I have my background or my base done. So look at how fun and bright and cute that is on this paper. So photo will go there. So these are in essence becoming an arrow. Got a bit of adhesive on the back, and I did go ahead, oh no, it's not coming off. I did go ahead and I matted my photo. Well, that's not gonna work. 1, 2, 3 times with some of the pattern paper that we have. So let's go ahead and pop this on. The cool thing is this is a bit of a grid right here, so I will be able to line it up with ease. Okay, now the thing I have to figure out is, do I want to get some alphas out of my stash? I don't know. Oh, that would be cute. She could be riding towards the girls. Should I, see, I don't want to cover much of these up, but I like this idea that just popped in. So maybe right on that line. I want to have this guitar nestled in here because they were at a country music thing, like I said, right? So we have that. Got the gorgeous florals. Let's see, look at these cute little coffee cups. Well, somebody has something they're drinking, but I don't think it was coffee, quite frankly. Okay, let's see what we have. And I also have Yay, Smile, Love. They're like these little scallop bits. I think I'll put them beneath this little bit right here because they'll look all cute and scallopy. So yeah, this is the dealio. I am just playing with this and enjoying all of these goodies that we have. So cute. I love these kits, you know, these page kits. because you see what you have, and then the idea is just start popping like this. So I'm going to go ahead, pop these on. Have to decide. I don't think I'm going to do the coffee cup, even though I love it, but it wasn't that kind of situation. I have lots of words that I want to put on here as well. I think we'll put this just a little bit closer so it's inclusive. And then I have to figure out where I'm going to put the wordy bits. So give me 1 second. I'm going to go look for some alphas. So I went ahead and attached those pieces down, and I think I'm going to have my title just be this hello piece that I have from Mustache. It's actually in one of the other kits from this month. And I try my very best not to grab pieces out, but I was on the hunt for an alpha. So this is on foam. And of course it's a match because it's so beautiful. So I like that. It's going to go across the guitar, bring all that together. So pretty much the photo cluster is the entire, oops, I just hit that, is the entire cluster. So now I have these 3 pieces here. I feel like doing wordy bits somewhere. So should I do here and here? So it would go boop, boop, boop. Maybe because it's already a visual triangle. Okay, I'm going to work on getting as many wordy bits here and here as I can. I'm going to pop them up on some craft foam, and I'll be right back. I ended up getting a little crazy and using all kinds of those pieces, but I actually like it. Look at, guys, gone, gone, gone. So I'm going to use these 3, and I'll calm down and call it quits. I know I have a lot of them on here. So I will have all of these wood pieces, but guys, I'm so excited that I used them all, but it was absolutely perfect for this layout. So I have this one that reads Daydream. The next layer I will go in with the one that reads Memories. And then finally, I'm going to tuck in this one right here that reads Today. So that is my layout. Super excited about it. I think it came together beautifully. Beautifully, if I say so myself. And let's see, I have these little puffy bits. I'm trying to figure out maybe 1, 2, 3. I think a nice little visual triangle of them over here. Oh, right in the middle of that little floral piece. Perfect. Okay, and I'll hang on to this one and this, but that is my layout done. I used from my embellishments, that's what I have left. Not bad at all. Now, could I have used all of those? Probably, but I'm very happy with this. I will have still shots for you guys in a second. All the links for the website, all that kind of stuff down below. And is there anything else? Nope. Okay, guys, I'll be back ever so soon with another video. Bye for now.